I'm writing a song every day until I go on a world tour, and this is day 106. I'm waking up, it's a brand new day. Nothing could possibly get in my way. I'm looking up at the blue, blue sky, though I never bothered to ask why. Ask why. Why do birds fly over the trees in my mind, in my mind, where I drift, I tell stories in the back of my mind.